In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to list and sell digital products on eBay the right way. Selling digital items is a little different from selling physical ones, so it's important to set up your listing correctly to avoid any problems. First, log into your eBay account and click on the Sell button at the top right of the home page. From there, select Create Listing. Start by entering a clear and descriptive product title that includes important keywords buyers might search for. Once you've done that, you'll need to choose the correct listing format. Here is a key step. If you're delivering your digital product directly through email or eBay messages, make sure to select Classified Ad as your format. This option is designed for digital delivery and helps prevent account issues that can happen if you use the wrong category. On the other hand, if you're selling your product stored on a USB, CD, or any other physical medium, you can list it just like a regular item using the Buy It Now option. Next, it's time to choose the right category. For digital only items, don't place them under software or computer categories. Instead, go to Everything Else, Information Products, and then Other Information Products. This ensures that your listing is properly categorized and easy for buyers to find. Once your category is set, write a strong product description. Be clear from the start that this is a digital download and explain exactly how the buyer will receive it. For example, let them know whether the file will be sent through eBay messages or email. Transparency builds trust and prevents confusion. Keep in mind that eBay charges an insertion fee for classified ad digital listings, so factor that into your selling strategy. After viewing all the details, setting your price, and uploading any supporting images, simply click List Item. And that's it, you've successfully created a digital product listing on eBay. Thank you for watching this video.